Hey, what's up, everybody? Today's video is brought to you by raphotog.com, my photography website, Robert Anthony Photography, raphotog.com. At my website, you'll find my writings, some videos, and you'll find many of the photographs that you see in the upcoming videos and previous videos available for sale in all kinds of formats. So be sure to stop on over. It helps support me and what I'm doing on the road. In today's video, Levi and I, my son, are going to take you on a special journey to two places, Hidden Falls and, of all places, Cascade Canyon in the Grand Teton National Park. We were pleasantly surprised at the Cascade Canyon, and you'll want to watch all the way to the end for some really special photographs that really were quite special. So we'll get to the video. Listen, enjoy yourself, and I'll see you at the end. Let's go. Well, Levi and I are spending a few days in the Grand Tetons, of course, as you know, and we decided this morning that we would do some photography at Mormon Row. Of course, the photography at the barn is cliche. The trifecta is to be able to get the barn with clouds above the Tetons. That'd be great, but it's been so clear out here, that's impossible. There's just something magical about the way the warm sunlight, when it comes across the valley, coming up in the east and starts to light up the mountains, comes down and it slowly descends across the valley and lights up the barn. That old wood just really is warm, and it's really, really pretty. I don't care if, it's the photograph of the Tetons and everybody gets it. It's really, really pretty. So we got that shot. It was really good. I was really happy, and we're going to go hike to a place called Hidden Falls, which, if you're familiar with Tetons, you probably know about it. It's across Jenny Lake. So we're going to get going on doing that because, well, it's early. We should be able to avoid crowds and maybe be able to get a shot of the waterfall without people in it. So if you care to join us, that would be great. I hope you enjoy this day and this video. All right, we'll see you, I guess, at this point at the waterfalls. I don't think that's it. It's hidden, but I don't think that's it. So we're at what's this called? Hidden Falls, and so to get the photograph, to have the water moving, in case you're curious as a viewer, I have a 10-stop neutral density filter, which allows me to slow the shutter speed down enough that it's going to really cause the water to be moving through the shot, which you'll see in just a second. But because the sky is exposing the mountains up there, I'm also going to have to use this filter, which you can see is graduated, and that's going to go over that to make it so that the mountains are not overexposed. So let's get the shot and see what happens. Thanks for joining us on our hike to Foreman Row and Hidden Falls, and we ultimately ended up going to Hidden Falls and deciding to hike a little bit farther to what's called Cascade Canyon. So that was really wonderful. How many miles did we put on? 11. 11 miles today. That was not in the plan. It was only going to be about 5, but we decided to do the Cascade Canyon because he really wanted to go, and well, I thought that would be great. It would be important to him. It's important to me. So we saw a lot of animals today. It was really cool. We got here, saw a bear, and then we saw a moose. Yep. Right? 2 moose. 2 moose, and a beaver. Which was weird. He was right on the trail, poking his head out of a rock, looking at us. It was really neat. So we really enjoyed that. I hope you enjoyed us sharing it with you. And you know, we're gonna get going. We want to go get some lunch. But when we were in Cascade Canyon, you just never know what you're gonna find. And we were walking, and boy, that canyon opened up to the epic mountain view. So we're gonna close this video out, and when we do, I'm gonna show you that last shot that we got that was actually not planned, totally a surprise, but worth every step, I think. Absolutely. What do you think?
Well, it was probably better than I expected. I didn't really expect a whole lot, but then we got out there and it was really, really special. Really special.
All right, well, we got people coming, so we're gonna go. So, for Levi, this is Rob, and as always, we're out. Hey everybody, thanks for watching. Really appreciate you watching here till the end. Listen, if you can make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell notification so that you know the next time one of my videos comes out, greatly appreciate it. Need all the help I can get in building the channel, and you're part of the family. I appreciate you, and we'll see you in the next one.
Oh, hi. Is this just B-roll footage?
It's just Levi.
Oh, okay. Are you wanting me to say something, or?